Pisces, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong energy update ngayong October 16 to 31, 2025. If you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Pakicheck nyo lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video at comment na rin kayo kung kayo naka-resonate. Paalala lang, ang reading na to ay general reading, so maaari kayong makarelate, maaring hindi. Just take what resonates. Okay, let's see Pisces, what's the energy for you? October 16 to 31. October 16 to 31. Pisces. Oh, okay. You have the Sun, bottom of the deck. Some of you Pisces are happy right now. Meron kayong mga accomplishments, may mga part ng life nyo na nagiging okay. But somehow, meron ditong disappointment, no? Maaring sa isang area ng life nyo, meron kayong disappointment sa isang sitwasyon, sa isang tao. And the other part of your life, may mga na-accomplish ka. And that's fine. May mga ganun talaga. Sabi nga you can't have it all, no? But at least there's a good side, no? Merong nangyayaring maganda. Some of you, this is entering a new relationship, business partnership that is going to be very successful. Maaring meron kayong achievements sa family or meron kang sa partner mo, meron kayong achievement together, nakabili kayo ng property, or pwedeng iba sa inyo magkakaanak na. You have the Queen of Wands, Temperance, and the Knight of Cups. Some of you, baka meron kayong ika-cut off na person sa buhay ninyo that is no longer serving your highest good. Although, mukhang okay naman yung intention niya, no? Kaya lang, you feel like it's not yet time. Okay? Yung iba rito, this is romantic connection. Pwedeng malaki yung age gap ninyo, or you feel the other person is immature, tas ikaw mature enough, or vice versa. So, pwedeng meron ditong hindi nami-meet na criteria. You have the King of Wands, the Ace of Swords. So, merong magandang balita, ano? Lalo na kung ito may kinalaman sa pag-abroad, opportunities abroad, work abroad, no? May good news. This is also going to bring financial stability, abundance sa inyo, sa mga bagay na pinupursu nyo with passion. So, dapat you are passionate about what you do. Some of you, merong iiwanan na situation para ipursu nyo yung goals nyo, yung inyong pangarap, goals and dreams ninyo. Kasi alam nyo, nandoon yung puso nyo. Queen of Pentacles energy, financially, you are doing well. Maaring yung iba sa inyo nagsisipag talaga. Meron kayong multiple sources of income. Some of you may bagong trabaho or career or new source of income na maganda yung simula niya, no? So far, things are doing well financially. You have the Hermit. So, yung iba sa inyo, kulang na kayo sa socialization or parang feeling nyo you are isolated at this point dahil sa pagiging masipag ninyo. Wala na kayo masyadong oras sa inyong sarili. So, kailangan mag-self-reflect din kayo. Ano yung mga bagay na kailangan yung bigyan ng attention sa sarili nyo. Ayan. You have the Ace of Cups, the Four of Cups, and the Queen of Wands. Okay. Ace of Cups, this is new source of happiness. Maari talagang there is someone na nag-offer ng love or can be an offer of an opportunity for you. Yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng kung sa relationship, you may be connecting with a foreigner or a person na malayo sa inyo, may cultural difference o kaya long distance relationship. Kaya lang, somehow, meron disappointments dito. Parang you feel like meron kang demands doon sa person na yon pero hindi niya na ibibigay. Although may mga offer siya, pero hindi yun yung gusto mo. Alam mo yun, na tipong ino-offeran ka niya ng apple, pero ang gusto mo orange. Ganong energy. Okay? Some of you naman, sa workplace to, a career opportunity, na, yun nga, ang gusto mo, apple, pero in-offer sa'yo orange. So, still, opportunity pa rin yun, but somehow, may disappointment. Okay? So, let's see naman yung energy ng iyong kaperahan, specifically, money, career, finances. Money, career, finances for Pisces. Money, career, finances. Okay, you have the Justice card, Eight of Pentacles, the Fool, the Six of Swords. So, you are starting a new work, new career path na kumbaga gusto mo kasi may magbago sa sitwasyon mo ngayon sa trabaho, sa business, sa career mo eh. Matagal mo na itong pinagdesisyonan and handa ka to do whatever it takes na maging successful to. Okay? So, some of you are moving to a new place or aalis ka sa work para makapagnegosyo or para i-pursue yung pangarap mo. Sa relationship, merong temptation. Oh my, okay. So, some of you, maaring you are connecting with Sagittarius and Capricorn and Pisces or Taurus, Virgo. Okay? Merong red flags dito. If you are connecting with someone right now and parang feeling mo medyo off yung intentions niya towards you, pag-isipan mo muna. I-reassess mo yung situation if you want this person. Kasi pwedeng itong person na to, alam mo yung tipong galante nga siya, pero marami siyang gustong gawin mo or marami siyang hinihiling sa'yo. Oo. So, kumbaga siya, beneficial relationship. So, kung open ka naman sa beneficial relationships, then go. At least alam mo yung consequences na pinapasok mo. Some of you are already in a toxic situation, but I feel like things are going to change, no? May magbabago. Kasi mas magpo-focus ka sa sarili mo, i-develop mo yung career mo, yung goals mo, yung iyong future. Lalo na kung feeling mo wala ka ng future dito sa person na to, and you feel like parang ikaw na lang nag-e-effort. Let's see what else. Oops, okay. Ayan Phoenix, you are rising from the ashes. This is transformation. Meron din contentment dito. Maaring alam mo kasi kung ano yung gusto mo ngayon. So, pay attention to your health sa kalusugan ninyo, Pisces. Kasi maaring may mga ino-overthink kayo na sitwasyon or may mga reasons ng yung mga disappointments ninyo, masyado nyo dinidibdib, ayan. So, focus muna sa sarili, sa health ninyo. Meron kang kailangang desisyon na gagawin or kailangang pumili. Some of you, merong court cases, court issues na kailangan nyong harapin. May decision rin na kailangan gawin. Serious situation can be. Okay? Peace. This is peace of mind. Kapayapaan ng isip, no? Maaring iyan din yung isa sa gusto nyo na magkaroon kayo ng kapayapaan ng isip. Kaya alis kayo sa isang sitwasyon na, alam mo na, nagbibigay lang sa'yo ng stress, toxic situation, toxic energies, and you are focused on improving yourself. Yung iba, mag-aaral kayo, mag-improve kayo ng knowledge ninyo. You also have prosperity. Napakaganda ng energy na yan. So, this is about abundance, no? Pagkakaroon ng yung pagkakaroon ng resources base sa mga pangangailangan mo. So, you will be provided sa iyong needs. The energy is gaining momentum. So, ano man itong mga current projects ninyo, pinupurso ninyo, it is gaining momentum. Kaya ituloy-tuloy nyo lang yan. Kasi pag hindi nyo ito na-sustain, sayang yung opportunity. Halimbawa, sa business ninyo, o maganda yung nangyayari sa negosyo ninyo. Kaya lang isang araw ka lang natama rin dyan at hindi maging committed, maging inconsistent, malaki magiging negative impact niyan sa business mo. So, keep showing up, okay? Keep showing up. Kasi yung pag-show up mo sa iyong sarili para sa pangarap mo, malaking bagay yan para mag-move forward ka. O, diba? your dreams need a practical plan. Kung ano man itong mga pangarap mo, kailangan practical ka. Hindi yung laging ini-imagine mo lang, pinaplano mo lang, but you are not executing something, no? Kailangan planado, practical, yung mga actions na gagawin mo para makakita ka talaga ng resulta. Okay? So that is your reading, Pisces. Thank you so much. See you again.